अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मैं रूबी इजहार. Today we learn about cards and counter. This is cards and this is a counter. Now start. Where is the card number 1? Pick up the card and put here. What comes after 2? 1, 2. Pick up the card and put here. Good. What comes after 2? 3. Good. Pick up the card and put here. Can you please sequence the cards? Okay. 4, 5, 6, good, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now read the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now read the number 1. 1 is a 1 counter. 1. Which number is it? 2. 1, 2. Which number is it? 3. 1, 2, 3. Which number is it? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, can you please make counters in 5 to 10? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Which number is it? 1. Now we discuss can have even and odd. 1 is single, not a pair. 2. Which number is this? 2. 2 is pair. Yes. Is even number. 1 is single. Single is odd number. 2 is paired. 3 number is 1 pair and 1 single is It is odd number. Which number is this? 4. 4. One pair, two pairs. It is even number. And now which number is odd number? 5, 7, 9. Go. Which number is even numbers? 6, 8, 10. Go. You did very well. We put the material. Okay. Thank you.